Welcome back to Simple Power BI. Today, we're looking at how to create a table, change the name of columns in a table, and how to change the date column on a table from a date hierarchy to a single line date. Let's start by adding a table to our canvas. We can create a table by clicking on the table icon in the visualizations pane. I'll resize the table and drag it to the middle of the canvas to make it easier for you to see what I am doing. Now, let's add some values to the table. I can either click the checkbox next to the column of data I want to add, or drag and drop into the visualizations pane into that columns section as I'm doing here. I'm going to add sale date and revenue to my table, and that's it for today. You can see that sale date is broken down into a hierarchy. Instead of one date, I was given 4 different columns. One for year, one for quarter, one for month, and one for day. And we see that my revenue column was titled Sum of Revenue. I want to change that, but let's deal with the date issue first. I want the date to appear in one column. To change this, I need to select the table, go to the visualizations pane, find sale date in the columns section, click on the downward facing caret, and select sale date instead of date hierarchy, which is currently selected. When I take that action, we see that sale date is now one column showing the day of the week, the month, the date, and the year. Again, all in one column. That's great. That's what I was looking for. I like this view a lot better than the hierarchy view and the split columns that we originally had. Now, I want to change the title of the Sum of Revenue column. To do that, with the table selected, I return to the column section in the visualizations pane, double-click on the column I want to rename, and rename it. Here, I've renamed that column simply as Revenue. Pretty simple stuff, but very useful as you're formatting your table visualizations. Play around with the date hierarchy option too. You can remove certain elements as shown here, where I have removed the month and the day. Now my table shows a column for year and for quarter and has aggregated the revenue for each of those time periods. Thanks for joining. If you found this even somewhat useful, please like and subscribe.